In this video, I'm going to talk about Power Platform CLIx. This is a tool within XRM Toolbox. Now, this tool is built by Mike. Basically, this tool is allows you to see the command line which you execute using Power Platform CLI. Now, basically, it's a user interface for exploring and executing Power Platform CLI commands. So if you are not a command line person, if you do not like working on command line, you get a user interface in this particular application to execute the Power Platform CLI commands and view the output of the command in a graphical user interface. Now, the good part of this tool is it's basically allows you to see all the Power Platform CLI command in one place. You can even see the command parameters in a hierarchical fashion. You can view all the versions of CLI which was introduced by Microsoft. You can view all the commands available within the CLI version, and you can see all the help command when the command gets executed in that same single pane of window. Now, you can run packcli command with UI parameters. So in packcli, when you run a command, there are various command which expects a parameter. Now, instead of putting it in a command line, you get a text box to put in all your parameters and then execute the command at once. So I'm going to go through some of the commands when I do those hands-on exercise. Now, you can also view the auth profiles in the UI. So that's also one of the good feature within this particular tool. This is how the tool looks like. Basically, on the left hand side, you will see the root, which is a pack. And from here, you build up all those commands. So there's a pack admin command, application, auth, canvas, catalog, and so on and so forth. Now, this belongs to 1.3.16. So if you see the older version of pack CLI, you may not get sufficient commands, which are all available as a part of the new CLI version. Now, once you select a command, here you will see the command which you have created, and you can see the output in this particular section. Now, against that command, you get a help, so that you get a ready reference for all the command which you execute in this particular interface. Now, any parameters if you want to put, you can make use of those text areas over here, and then you specify those parameters in this particular section. And once you're done with it, just click on this play button and you will be connected. There is a connections over here which allows you to see the auth profiles, which allow you to view various sections of your environment. So uh, so this is CLI version. These are the different CLI versions which you see within the application. So 1.31.6 is the latest version, and you can see all the you can navigate to the previous version as well. So let's jump into the demo. So in XRM Toolbox, you just need to type in CLI, and you'll find this Power Platform CLIx tool. Now, it is already installed, but if it is not installed in your environment, then make sure that you go to the tool library and install those components. So here you might see that this is the CLI version which is currently installed in my environment. In your case, the number might be different, but if you install pack install latest, then you may get the latest CLI version. This button will give you all the auth profiles. Now here I have 4 different auth profiles. So here you will see the auth profiles, and on the left hand side you can navigate to all the pack commands. So if I want to see pack admin, and then within admin I want to see what all commands exist, so there is a pack admin list, and here it asks for 4 parameters. So if you want to type in environment, application, or name, here you can type those commands over here. Now, similarly, you can go into another other command and then click on create. Then you get a name, region, type, currency, all these parameters, and In the bottom, you will see the left. Now, of when you select something on the left hand side, you will see the help sections available for that particular command. Now, I have one command which is basically pack org and list. So if I run this command, so let me run this command. So now this is the command selected. This is the help for that command, and it expects some arguments, and that's optional. Let me run this command. But before you run this command, make sure that you have selected some profile. So let me select this Girish profile, and let me run this command. And now it has shown me all the environments along with the ID, URL, and the unique name. So this is how you basically run this command within Power Platform. Now you can also navigate, you can see what all commands are available for pipeline or plugin or power effects. And as you see over here, this is the drop menu. Now if you want to see what command was available when Power Platform CLI, Pack CLI was at a very nascent stage, so you can navigate to that version. So take for example, if I want to navigate to say 3.4, 0.3.4, then it will start installing or loading those commands, and you will see that Pack started with Pack PCF solution and telemetry, and these were the only three commands which was available during that time. So this is also a good history list to verify which version had which commands, and it will list down those particular commands over here on the left panel. So this is how you basically make use of Power Platform CLI for executing whatever commands you have within the application. Now let's jump on to the latest version. So I'm jumping into the latest version, and I have executed pack org list. So pack org list, I've executed this command, and it listed down all the environments which had all the environment ID and URL. So take for example, if I pick up say Girish dev environment, I'll just copy this ID, and I'll show you how to use that in the parameter. So if I want to see how many power pages exist within the environment, so I can navigate to pack power pages and list, and pack power pages list will expect an environment. Now if I type in the environment, then you see this environment gets updated over here. This is the command, corresponding command which I'm going to run, and if I click on play, then it will run the command, and this command basically will list down all the power pages site which is available within the current environment. So this is how you basically use Power Platform CLIx tool within XRM Toolbox. Thanks for watching.